The American Speed Festival for 2022 that was sponsored by Comerica is a celebration of all things motorsports, speed, and style.
Friday and Saturday are on track days. On our champion Motor Speedway at 1.5 mile, 11 turn, saw 6 classes of cars, Cobras, NASCARs, spectacular lineup of vintage Indy cars.
The Indy car that I really like is the turbine car. I just like how quiet it is and how easy it looks for him to maneuver it around the track.
I'm loving it right now. I'm like a kid in a car store. No candy. This here is like my sweets right here.
This year we added a vintage go-kart class, and we saw everything from 80cc carts all the way up to a quad-engine Invader. And these carts hit the full circuit at speed. The racing was awesome, the track experience was great. I want to thank everybody that came to the American Speed Festival for 2022 presented by Comerica. We had a great time this year. If you missed it, check us out on our YouTube channel. You can find those links at m1concourse.com.